So next slide I will discuss about the progression versus LP slide. In progression versus LP, what you have to do, you will be given the in each and every segment top line sheet that what are the top three brands. So you just have to select the top one brand from here and second brand from here. But if the PVN brand is not present here, from for the first one table you can select the top brand, and for the second you will select the PVM brand which is required. So after that you just have to go to report sheet and all the things are retrieved here automatically. Even the top brand name is also connected with this slicer. Whatever you will select from here will automatically be retrieved here. And all the values that you see here are already divided by 1000. So your this table is ready just after selecting the top two brands from here, and you have to copy this and paste it in the copied sheets. And I have told you the reason that why I did make the copied sheets. So this part also don't take any time, but my most of the time will be consumed in this portion. Whenever we have to make this, it will take about 30 minutes here, and while pasting it into the PPT it will take 15 more minutes. So my whole time was consumed here. About 45 minutes will be taken here, which I think so can't be taken even in the all previous slides. So it will be time taking, and if it is done by coding it will be beneficial for us to use that part from coding. And the third part of this slide is this one. So all the top brands will be selected automatically here, as well as the mat value and all the other things are also connected with my VMS sheets for where I'm performing the VMS working. So you just what you have to do, yeah, all the top brands are selected and the data was that will be retrieved is according to these brands. What you have to do, yeah, this is 12, 13, 14 to 24. For the next month you have to copy it, and okay, you have to select it, and what you have to do, replace. From 12 to 24 there is the data from November 2023 to November 2024. For December 2023 to December 2024 you just have to add 25 and remove 12, and after that you will select replace all. So all the data will be uploaded about for the month of the December. So this is the working you have to perform, no other working is required here also. Now move to the VMS working. So in VMS working there are sheets, number of there are more number of sheets, but the working is so much easy. What you have to do, you have to select the mat from these slicers, mat this year, mat last year, just this one from one sheet, and all the sheets are connected. So next step what you have to do, you have to sort these sheets according to the current month. Just go to each sheet and sort these sheets. After sorting these sheets, if your system is working in a good way and you will do it consecutively, it will hardly take your 10 minutes maximum. After that what you have to do, you have to go to this sheet, and all these even top four brands are linked automatically. Same thing, you have to select this, go to replace, just like, yeah, it is for 234 to 2024 24. Go to this one, copy this one, okay, select this column, replace, paste it here and add 25. Now your data will be according to the will be ready till December 2024. I mean new month is added, but here what you have to do, you have to unhide the cells. I have made the hidden cells because I have linked these charts with the PPT. So for every month when I will add the chart at the column, it will not pick that column and I will have to perform the manual working. So to avoid this trauma, I will add some cells which will work till December 2025. So you just have to whenever you will apply the formula for uh, December 2025 data, you will get values here, and you will simply hide again these columns, and your data or your these all the tables will become ready according to November 2025, sorry, November 2024. No other working you will have to perform. Yeah, one thing you have to do, you will have to write December here manually. Same thing you will have to perform for super and express sheets. So according to my view, this sheet till here take about hardly 15 minutes maximum, but it will take time in PPT whenever we have to set the labels, just like, yeah, I have to drag this label here, drag this label here, and set these things. While if I will update the area charts, it will have, sorry, these charts, it will take, I think so, 10 minutes to update all of these, 10 to 15 minutes to update all of these charts. So next, move towards the area chart. So I think so we don't have to discuss these things because we did it by coding on by using one click, so it's most better way. So let me skip it for the ones for the time being and go back to the next slide, which is regional working. So in regional analysis, what you have to do, you just have to sort the data according to the grand total for from first sheet as well as from second sheet. After that, go to first total category sheet, copy this numbering, and just paste in the report sheet as values. Just you have to do these things. This ranking and each and everything will be adjusted according to this automatically. Your next step is that what you have to do, same here. Yeah, you have selected the data from June to November in this month. For December, what you have to do, you have to use the data from July to December. Copy this, paste it here, and change it to December 2024. Okay, now copy it, sorry, paste it here as co-values and paste it in these tables. After that, you will, what you have to do, you have to set these data according to the July to December. Copy these cells. Yeah, uh, currently these are from 9 to 14. What you have will have to do, you will just have to replace it from 10 to 15 instead of 9 to 14. Yeah, yeah, this data will be adjusted according to December. Same in case of fair, these both are have the same column names. Yeah, just like if you have the data of July in the ninth column in this table, same thing will be followed here. So your first part is ready, and this is also linked with the PPT. What you have to do next for the second part of this slide, which is related to the segment top line. All the segment names are written here. You just have to after pasting the headers there, what you have to do, you will see that, yeah, the data is from 11 to 16, and in all the sorry, in all the in all of the segments portion, the data is from 11 to 16. What you have to do, you will copy this and replace it as we did for the previous tables, and it will be ready. So if I am doing this, it will take my 5 minutes maximum. Yeah, 5 to 10 minutes. You can conclude it as 10 minutes. And for these working sheets, what you have to do, you just have to check that either the concate we have made is dragged till the end of the pivot table in all of these sheets. These are 7 sheets for 7 segment top lines. You just have to perform these things, these steps. And you can manually cross check, like if you are working for the first or second time and you do have a query that you are working right or not, what you have to do, you will check that, yeah, for, let's suppose, for lollipops or jellies, you will see the, yeah, if I will check from M, in 11th column June is placed. If I will start checking from N, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, June is placed. So if I will need data from July to December, I will replace it with 12 to 16 or 12 to 15, whatever it is. So this slide will be prepared in, I think so, 5 minutes, and then we will copy this slide and paste it as values in the next portion, just to remove zeros from here and any other value like that from here.